Do you remember the petition that said the World Cup final should be replayed? It was signed by almost 300,000 French fans, but Argentinian fans created another petition saying France stop crying, which was signed by 700,000 fans. The perfect revenge.